soon as I catch them, they want to dig right into those pads. So when I catch them, I throw it in reverse, try to pull them away, because they'll pull me right in there, and once they get into those pads, 10-pound test, I'll probably lose them. There's a fish. This is a 3-pounder. Oh, jumping out of the water. This is a little better than 3 pounds. It's a good fish. Oh, not bad. Swallowed it bad though. Tell you what, these fish are getting hungry right now. It's coming towards the afternoon. I don't know what time it is, but I'm guessing it's about 5 o'clock. And apparently it's feeding time. Nice fish right there. I'm telling you right now, it's going to be close to 5 pounds. I just pulled it right off the lily pad. I was actually trolling right up, moving right up towards the lily pads, and I saw him move. Cast off in the direction that I saw the movement coming off the pads, and caught this fish. £4, 15 ounces. I don't know if you can see that. Nice fish right there. Got another good fish on here, right off the lily pads. Oh. And this is a strong fish. When I first caught him, I'd see 3 or 4 other big fish swimming right around him after he was already hooked, or after she was already hooked. So I think I might have found what they're doing. Hooked very good in the lilies. This is when I kind of wish I had a net. This one isn't quite as big as the last one. That's probably a 4-pounder. It's better than 4, I'd say. 314. Not quite 4. That's a nice fish though. I'll get her back in the water. Alright. Been hearing a lot of big fish jumping back in the lily pads. So put on a frog. This is a KVD. Frog. I'm gonna go over and get my boat right on the edge of the lily pads. And if we can get a big one out. I'm not 100% sure that it's big bass. It might be some big pickerel. Fish. We're gonna test this 17-pound line. I gotta rip him out of there. Yep, it's a bass. It's a good one too. Decent. 3-pounder, maybe 4. 3-pounder. He just inhaled that frog. He inhaled it. Well, that answers the question of what they were. Hungry right now. That's a 3-pound bass, close to 3.